Hello everyone, it's Karina. I have a project share of some outgoing Happy Mail I have going to Jenna. We agreed to do a swap, and the main thing was to do a shadow box, and I did add some extra things, of course. So I just wanted to quickly share with you the things I'll be sending her and what I've been working on pretty much. So I got this box. It's like a wood grain box from, I think it was Michael's. Yes, and I thought it was cute, so I will be including everything in here. And I still have yet to package everything, so I'll probably insert a clip of me with it all packaged once I do so. So I made her this little bag, and then here are the additional things. Let me put this over here. So I'll start off with the main project, which is these shadow boxes, and I made her this little set. I'm using the Mistletoe and Mittens paper collection by Crate Paper, and this is a die from Panalisa Crafts, I believe, which I got on AliExpress, and I will link that down below. But this is what it looks like. I think it's just so cute. I added this little Christmas hat on the bear, and this is also a die from AliExpress, which I will link down below as well. And if you guys have any questions on the products that I'm using, feel free to leave it down below. And I will also try to include everything that is linkable down there in the description box as well. So yeah, this is the shadow box I made. I think it turned out absolutely adorable. So there's that one. And then this one is probably my favorite, the little mini one. So I made a little village, and this is a die from Ali as well that I got this year. And look how cute that is. I made a little slinging, and then this is a little tiny snowman that I did out of hole punches. And I think it just turned out adorable. It's kind of hard to see all the details because of the shadow, but hopefully it's showing up on camera. And look at the doors. They do open and close. And there's little Christmas trees in the back. Alright, so that is my shadow box, and I decorated this glassine bag, and I think it turned out super cute. I love decorating bags. And in here, I think I just added some trim, and this I got from the Target dollar spot. I think I love eyelash trim, and I thought she could use that for her crafts. I made her some handmade embellishments, and this is using a bunch of dies that I have in my stash that I thought would go well with the collection. So I have this cute deer, and this is a Sizzix die that I got this year. It looks like this. Look how cute that is. And so I made a few in different paper. I think there's 3 in there. And what I did is I used my zigzag scissors and then used my crimper to create these little ridges to look like a little treat, and I used eyelets on them, and this is some seam binding that I got from what is the shop called? My Scrap Cabin on Etsy. I love her seam binding, And I just did the matching ribbons with the eyelet, and I think they turned out super cute. So that's the first one. And then I also paper pieced these adorable owls, and this is a Echo Park die. Let me see if I have it here. It's this one right here, and it is from the Celebrate Winter collection, and it's called Chill Out Owl. And I love the different colors that I used. I thought they were just super adorable. And let's see, so yeah, as you can see, there's the eyelet, and then I used the seam binding. Okay, and I also made these candy cane embellishments. Let's see. And this is a die from AliExpress that I got a few years ago. And I made these wreaths, and this is a lawn fawn die. And in here, I decorated this little gift bag. And I included a ornament that I got from Target. I think it looks so cute. Look at that. It's a cute little reindeer. How cute is this wrapping paper? It says Merry Christmas in gold foiling. I got that from Marshall's. So that's in there. And this is the bag. Let me take everything out because I have some additional things in here. So I made this bag, and I got this from a tutorial on YouTube. I don't remember the channel, but I'm gonna have to go through my history, and then I can link it down below for you guys. So it's just a cute little bag, and it does have a lot of space in there. I made this charm, which I think turned out super cute. It says Winter Wishes. I did share this on my Instagram, and I thought it would be nice to include in her swap. It's just a little Matchbox shadow box. This one was my favorite out of the one I made, so I'm gonna gift that to her. I made some more handmade embellishments. I made these candies, peppermint candies, and this is a die from Ali. And then I just decorated the top. And I also made these wax seals. And in here I am including some more little extras. So I have this from the Target Dollar Spot. It's this fuzzy trim. And then some stickers that I have in my stash that I haven't used. And then I just included a little tag and an ephemera piece and a journaling card, and I have these pins that I've had in my stash for a while, so that's that. And then lastly, I made this adorable heart box, and this is a die that I got from Ali as well, and I just decorated the heck out of it, and I think it's so cute. That's what it looks like. And in here I included some kisses. And then for more goodies, I bought this Ferrero Rocher chocolates. Yeah. And lastly, I did share this on my Instagram. I made this pocket letter. And I also decorated a lot. I'm using this faux snow and I think it looks really cool. I had to add it on like every pocket. And in the back I just included a bunch of die cuts that I used. So I have the poinsettia, this cute mittens, and I did include a few in there. These are a bunch of die cuts that I thought went really well with the collection. And I have some sentiments here, the snowmans, and you have all the pieces to decorate your snowman, and then this Christmas tree, the 25. It's basically all the ones I've used to create her pocket letter. So that is everything that I made. I hope you guys enjoyed this project share, and thank you, Jenna, for swapping with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.